Hey guys, so it's 12:43 and well, no, sorry, it's 12:41 and it's a Sunday. Um, Today's also my dad's birthday. So happy birthday, Dad. Even though you really don't go online, I'm gonna be saying him anyway, so I'll be say it in person too. But anyway, right now I am waiting for Joel to hit me up so we can head up to Milton and whatnot, because we're gonna go fishing and whatnot too today. But in the meantime, I am going to edit the 20th video, 6/20/14, which is I believe that today's the 22nd, so Friday's video. So I'm editing Friday's video right now as we speak, and yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen after I'm done that. Hopefully, I'll have somebody, well, Joel hitting me up after that's done or whatever. So, yeah, I don't really have that much there to go. So, 13 minutes and 22 seconds of footage to edit. And I just barely started. Alright, so I just got done editing the video, and now I'm about to encode it. First, I gotta go here. And produce. I forgot to show you guys the finishing process, but yeah, Friday's video is now up, 6/20/14, so go check it out. But now I'm gonna watch some subscriptions. Right now I'm watching CTFXC, his newest video, and I'm gonna keep watching subscriptions until probably Joel hits me up. So I went through my garage and I found some old cleaning supplies, really old. It's a plugged one. And I found this to pet hair cleaner, and it's working like a charm. It's old school. Look, that's just from a little bit part of like where my dog sleeps, and my dog has like really short hair. Oh my god, I didn't even know it was that dirty. Watch. All you gotta do is this. And it picks up everything like a charm. Now look. Wow, there's a lot more now in there. Yeah, it's pretty old too. Hey guys, so it's been a very slow day today. I've been home all day watching YouTube videos. I practiced some skateboarding earlier, but that was only for about 5 minutes, and I got sidetracked, so that kind of failed on me. But any flipping ways, I'm still waiting on Joel. He hasn't hit me up yet. I'm expecting to hear from him soon though, because it is 5 o'clock, and he said around 4 o'clock you'll probably be getting out of work, and it's now 5, so I'm expecting to hear from him soon, hopefully. So in the meantime, I'm killing the time by watching more YouTube videos. Go figure. Hey guys, so it's been a boring day. I just took a shower, as you guys can tell by my hair, obviously. And I'm gonna go up and get my final meal of the day. I'm gonna go down upstairs. I'm already downstairs. I'm gonna go upstairs and get some coffee with my grandma. Have a little snack. Because it is now 9:45 at night on Monday. Oh, sorry, not Monday, Sunday. So, yeah.
Funeral plans have not yet been announced. The 3 Canadian prisoners who flew to...
Well, that was a lovely and relaxing evening with my grandma. Having a last cup of coffee for the day. And had a couple of cookies and whatnot. And now I'm back downstairs on my laptop. I'm gonna watch a few subscription videos before I head to bed. So, yeah, that's what's going on right now. Alright guys, I am tired. I'm going to bed. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Not really too sure what's going down tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not sure at all. So I guess we'll both find out. Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. Add me on Facebook. No longer me on Twitter anymore. I don't find any use on Twitter. It's just like Facebook to me. And I use Facebook a lot, so... And it's more like having a second Facebook, but not a Facebook. So I don't think I'm going to be using Twitter anymore. But add me on Facebook and subscribe to me here on my channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Stay awesome.